Hello, today we'll be showing you how to adjust your grinder and dose. First of all, the tools that you will need is a set of scales which are grammage sensitive, one bowl, a hand tamp, a flathead screwdriver, a spoon and an 8-gram measuring spoon which you can purchase from Mahalia Coffee. First of all, we're going to be measuring the dose of the grind. Grab your bowl, turn your scales on and tare, making sure it comes back to 0. We then want to, 1 click will dose 8 grams, 2 clicks should dose 16 grams. Now, most of your grinders will be already set at 16 grams. If it doesn't, if it's lower, you need to increase your dose, and if it's higher, you need to decrease your dose. By doing that, we will empty our chamber. First of all, you will see your grinder has a safety plate. Unscrew that and pop aside. Now you just want to empty your chamber as we'll be reusing the grind coffee. Okay, in the middle of your grind is a silver adjustment knob. To decrease the dose, you want to turn it clockwise, which will push the plate down. First of all, there's a screw in the middle that you will need to loosen with your flathead screwdriver. Loosen that, and you want to turn the adjustment knob for 1 gram, 360 degrees, once or twice. Once you have done that, you then pour the coffee back into the grinder. And you want to make sure that it's evenly in the chamber. Now you can only do this twice with the coffee that you've ground. If you need to make any more adjustments, you will need to throw out the ground coffee, grind some fresh coffee, because coffee will aerate and not weigh correctly. Once you've got your perfect dose of 16 grams, we're now going to test it to our volumetric buttons on our espresso machine. Make sure you have a clean basket. Grab your tamp and a nice firm even tamp. Polish off. Wipe any excess coffee. Flush any old coffee out of your group head. Engage your group handle. Now you want your timer, your pedestal measuring cups, and we're going to check the millage to the time, 28 mils in 28 seconds. Coffee should come out after about 7 seconds. that timing was 24 seconds, meaning the grind is too coarse because it is coming out too fast. So we want to make it finer on our grinder. We now come over to our grinder. We want to empty our chamber out and throw away the ground coffee. Now we want to go fine, so on our adjustment dial we want to go anti-clockwise, only about 1 millimetre. We will then turn our grinder on for about 5 seconds and get rid of any of the old grind. Now we want to grind, weigh and test our grind through our volumetric buttons at 28 mils in 28 seconds. Weighing into our measuring bowl. $16 grams. You just might want to check that it's the heavier side of 16 grams. Rinse your pedestal measuring cup. Wipe out your basket. Grab your 8-gram measuring spoon. Okay, so 28 mils in 28 seconds. Once you've reached the grind that you desire, you fill your chamber up, and you may want to go through all your volumetric buttons, making sure that they all are dosing 28 mils in 28 seconds.